Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2021 Garageable campervan. This one has the optional awning. In the back you'll find a bed that folds up into a couch, a TV, DVD player, 2000 watt inverter, house batteries, microwave, refrigerator, sink, and a small table. Has a max air fan. Over there, antenna. This one has the optional Ford mid-vehicle overhead console, leather seats, navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror, and other safety features. Check out our inventory or give us a call, 507-382-9446, 651-285-7089, or on our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. Happy camping!